got out of our lift and we are at Dollywood. So we're gonna have just a really awesome day today. You know, we're just gonna hang out, do some rides, and check it out and see what's going on. A really cool thing that we also found out that they do is right now, Dollywood has a fall harvest festival. So I'm so excited about this because one thing I love about the fall, there's a lot more things you can buy that are made with pumpkin. Apparently there's all kinds of like treats, drinks, different dishes that are all like fall and pumpkin inspired. Todd is over in the ticket booth right over there getting us tickets. And so far, it doesn't seem to be a very long line at all.
Alrighty, we have made it to Dollywood, and we are so in luck because we're here during the Harvest Festival, so there's all sorts of pumpkin-themed food, beautiful decorations going on. Also, we came mid-afternoon because we're going to stick around in the nighttime because they have the pumpkin luminites, where all these jack-o'-lanterns get lit up at night. So we are so excited to be here in the land of Dolly.
This must be, yeah. And I wonder if that's maybe the train station right there. Oh my God, look. Look at that. That is so cool.
us down here at Tornado Alley. This is where we ride, play games, try and help you win some prizes down here.
Hey guys, so we're getting ready to go on our first roller coaster of the day, the Tennessee Tornado. This is going to be a lot of fun, and it's a loop roller coaster, so we're really excited.
Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go!
Leave a comment to say hi. If you like us, please subscribe. And if you don't, our little fluffy dog will attack you.